In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot for lead generation. If you're looking to attract more leads through your website and marketing efforts, HubSpot offers powerful tools to streamline the process. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refine your lead generation strategies, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get started efficiently. First, let's head over to HubSpot's homepage. If you haven't yet visited, simply type hubspot.com into your browser. This is where you'll find a wealth of software and tools designed to boost your business growth. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see the Login button, a gateway to your HubSpot account. Go ahead and click on Login to access your dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the HubSpot home. This is your operations hub where you'll manage all your tasks. Next, we'll focus on the content section, a fundamental part of generating leads. Click on the Content tab. This section allows you to create and manage all your content marketing activities, which is key for attracting new leads. Now, within the content section, you'll find various options available. Look for the blog option and click on it. Blogs are a fantastic means of maintaining visibility and relevance while driving traffic to your site. Whether you're sharing industry insights, tips, or company news, a blog is a versatile tool in your lead generation toolkit. Once you're in the blog section, you'll see an option to start from scratch. This is your canvas where creativity meets strategy. Click on it and let's kickstart the process of creating compelling blog posts. It's here in this space that you'll craft engaging content aimed at capturing the attention of potential leads who visit your site. As you begin creating these blog posts, keep in mind the importance of writing with clarity and purpose. Aim to provide value to your readers by addressing their needs and challenges. The more relevant insights you offer, the more likely your content will attract and engage potential customers, turning them into genuine leads. Remember, consistency is key in content marketing. Regular posts that educate, inform, and engage are vital. This isn't just about churning out content, it's about making thoughtful, intentional contributions that will resonate with your audience and pull them closer to your brand. So there you have it, a straightforward walkthrough to leverage HubSpot for lead generation. As you continue to use these tools, you'll discover even more features that can enhance your marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tutorials on maximizing your business tools.